Hi guys, so this should be your study guide. It says number 3, but it's the 4th problem, but we'll just go with it being saying number 3. Um, so number 3, once again, we're going to graph our midline first. You see how this one, that 2 is up front? That's still, I'm going to move it back. So I'm going to add 2 instead of having that up here. So that's one of the little skills that we talked about maybe once or twice. About it. So if it's added up front, I'm just going to add it to the back. That does exactly the same thing. So once I move it to the back, I know that automatically means that that's my vertical shift, which is 2, or our midline. So I'm going to graph a midline first. So it's going to be at 2. So that's going to be my midline. Okay. The second thing I'm going to graph is my amplitude. So my amplitude is the number in front of sine or cosine, so that's invisible 1. So that means it's going to go up 1. So that's as high as it's going to go, which is 3, and go down 1, which is 1. The third thing that we usually do is our period, which is 2 pi over b. And our b in this case, in every case, is in between sine, or the function, and the x, so that's my b right there. 7 over 6 is my b. So let's plug that in here. It'll be 2 pi all over my b, which is 7 over 6. And the way that we'll work on this is keep changing flip. We keep the top one, change the sign to multiply, and flip this one, which gives you 6 over 7. There's always invisible 1 under 2 pi. And then we're going to just multiply it straight across. So that gives us 12 pi over 7. And remember, our period always goes on our 4th tick mark. So we're going to graph our 4th tick mark. On my 4th tick mark, I'll have 12 over 7 pi. And then we're going to divide the period, which is 12 over 7 pi, into 4 portions. So it's going to be keep the first one, change the sign to multiply, and then flip this one, which will be just 1 over 4. And then we're just going to multiply straight across, which is 12 pi over 28. Let's reduce that. 3 over 7 pi. So which means my first one is going to be 3 over 7 pi. It's going to go up by 3, so it's going to be 6 over 7 pi, 9 over 7 pi, and on. So my period is 12 over 7 pi. Now phase shift is usually inside the parentheses with x. Since we don't have anything, we don't have phase shift. Okay. Now, all we have to do is graph this. So sine usually starts on the midline, so we'll start here. We didn't move left or right any, so it just starts here. And since it's a positive sine function, we're going to go up first, come down to the midline, down, and up again. So there we go. Alright, let's go then. Well, the next one we'll do it on the next video.